Hey guys, welcome to Friday class. So I don't want to hear myself here. Welcome to the class of Friday. Today's Friday. We're just gonna be loose. If you are watching this stream, thank you so much. And I just wanna say thank you so much to everybody who's been subscribing. Wow, I never really imagined that we'll be this close to reaching 1,000 subs. Thank you so much for subscribing. This really encourages me to do these videos, you know what I mean? So I'm taking time to see, okay, this is serious. People want to learn Tswana, which is really also encouraging on my side. I'm not gonna lie. So thank you so much. Thank you. Today we are going to dive into yet another class reaction. I'm gonna link down below later on another channel that I think you should watch. It's another Tswana or Tswana teacher. I'm just follow the link from down below and you will learn more. He's more into the real class. It's more like a real class, so I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Just stay tuned and also check the link down below. Yes, so okay, I just want to make sure that everything is going good here. All right, okay, we have one person watching. That's good. I know you guys always watch these things later on anyway, so I'm just doing it for you guys to watch later on. I don't actually mind of live watches, but if you're watching, hi, hello, welcome back to Tswana class. Dumelang. So tsatsi jeno re tsile re ithuta mafoko a Setswana, household accessories or equipment or whatever you want to call them, cups, whatever. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into it. There we go. I'm gonna zoom myself out here and then media. Welcome back. Today we'll be learning vocabulary of things you can find in your home. I hope you enjoy. Tafole, table. Ke na le tafole e tala. I have a blue table. Setilo, chair. Okay, I just wanna add a little bit here that the color botala, which is blue in this case, but if you look here at the plants and stuff, they are also green. So in Tswana, blue and green ke botala, but you just gotta, if necessary, for you to explain further which color is it exactly, you can say botala jaluapi, which is like blue, like sky blue, or botala jamatar, which is like green. So that's how it is. But I hope you understand, because I just wanted to make sure that whenever you encounter somebody say mpe sosasatala and it's green, you'd like, no, that's not it. But yeah, botala is either blue or green. If you are explaining to somebody who cannot see, or who cannot see that particular thing that you're explaining at that moment, then you will have to explain what color is it. Botala ke jai, ke botala ja loapi or ke botala ja mathar. So yeah. Ke na le setilo se se manobono. I have a comfortable chair.
Kopi. Kopi. Cup. Kopi ya me e kae? Kopi ya me e kae? Where is my cup? Lebone. Lebone. Lamp. Thuba lebone. Thuba lebone. Turn on the lamp. Se se latelang ke ntlo ya boroko. Ntlo ya boroko. Next is the bedroom. Bolao. Bolao. Bed. Ke ntse ko godimo ga bolao jang? Ke ntse ko godimo ga bolao jang? I'm sitting on my bed. Mosamo. Mosamo. Pillow.
There are two pillows there. Maybe I should have said mesamo. Mesamo, which is going to be two pillows. If you can, as you can see, mosamo is for one pillow, and mesamo you're gonna add e instead of o right there. Mesamo, which is like two pillows. Yeah.
Ke na le mosamo o le mongwe fela. Ke na le mosamo o le mongwe fela. I have one pillow.
Ke na le mesamo e le mebedi. Ke na le mesamo e le mebedi. I have two pillows.
Kobo. Kobo. Blanket. Ke na le kobo e tala. Ke na le kobo e tala. I have a green blanket.
Yes, like I was saying before about the colors. Now you can tell, like the colors are said. Now this is a green blanket. I'm still saying kubo etala. So I guess I already explained the whole thing. So you're going to say kenale kubo etala jobo etal ebotala jabo jamathar. Oh, madam, where's my Tswana going? Tafole e botala jalwap. So that's how you can explain it further for somebody who cannot see that particular item you're talking about.
Sipone. Sipone. Mirror. Ke na le seipone se se tona. Ke na le seipone se se tona. I have a big mirror. Jaanong re mo ntlong ya boapelo. Re mo ntlong ya boapelo. Now we are in the kitchen.
Yes.
Mongwe le mongwe o rata ntlo ya boapelo. Everybody loves the kitchen.
They do.
Dijo. Dijo. Food. Re rata dijo. Re rata dijo. We love food. Metsi. Metsi. Water. Ke kopa metsi a nowang. Ke kopa metsi a nowang. Can I please have drinking water?
So metsi anoa, it's like you're not going to request metsi anoa every time. Maybe you can say kopa metsi a thapang, which means may I please have washing or bathing water. I don't know why you'll be asking for that, but it happens. So yes, Betsanuang, it's specific, but sometimes you don't necessarily need to say kopa betsanuang. You can just say ke kopa metsi, ke kopa metsi. So every time people are going to give you drinking water. So yeah.
Glad you have made it to the end of this class. Please like and subscribe for more videos.
Yes, so that was it. That class was also good. A lot of people enjoyed that class, so that's why I'm also doing this reaction. So yeah, there's nothing much I can add to that class. There will be other classes that will follow that also include other household stuff. So that was so good. Thank you so much for watching. It's Friday, so go back to having fun. See you in the next video. Bye. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nako e e tlang. Salang sentle.